Imagine a world where robots don't just follow commands. They think, react, and move with purpose. Where machines run, build, swim, and even fight with uncanny precision. A world where AI isn't just assisting us, it's evolving alongside us. Sounds like science fiction? Not anymore. This is the new reality unfolding right before our eyes. Welcome back, friends. Alfie here, and in this week's update, we're diving into the latest wave of breakthroughs that are changing everything. AI robots just crossed the line. Updates so advanced, so lifelike, they'll truly shock you. From emotional intelligence to combat-ready machines, what you're about to see will make you question where the line between man and machine really is. You're watching the AI Nexus, and as always, we're here to bring you every step of the future. Let's go. The Chinese female robot named Mourin recently appeared at an auto exhibition in Shanghai, creating a real sensation among the public and car enthusiasts. Developed by automotive giant Chery. In collaboration with artificial intelligence company Imoga, this hyper-realistic humanoid became a key element of the Omoda brand's presentation, which is promoting its innovative crossovers. Mourin looks like a real woman. Her height is 160 centimeters. Her weight is about 55 kilograms, and her body is covered with realistic silicone skin. She's equipped with 41 degrees of freedom of movement, which allows her to move naturally and express emotions through facial expressions. Inside is a powerful artificial intelligence trained on language models by the Chinese developer DeepSeek, enabling Mourin to speak more than 10 languages, including Chinese, English, Spanish, and Malay. She not only greets customers, but also provides detailed information about the cars, guides visitors through the showroom, answers questions, demonstrates technologies, and even offers drinks. The Chinese company Deep Robotics has unveiled an updated version of its newest robotic dog named Lynx M20. This robot is the world's first industrial model to feature a unique hybrid wheels plus legs design, making it especially effective for operation in extreme environments. Its key feature is the ability to instantly switch between two modes of movement, fast travel on wheels and high mobility on legs. This architecture enables it to confidently traverse rough terrain, stairs, steep inclines, and narrow spaces, while also maneuvering freely in confined areas. The robot can adapt to its surroundings, analyze the landscape, make real-time decisions, and plan routes autonomously, without operator intervention. Its capabilities are particularly valuable in fields such as search and rescue missions, work in disaster zones, inspection of industrial sites, tunnels, mines, and underground infrastructure, as well as delivering equipment to hard-to-reach areas. It is also suited for use in construction, energy, and defense industries. The cost of the Lynx M20 is $17,999. This is the world's first biomechanical arm prosthesis developed by African engineer David Gatu in collaboration with Moses Kiuna. This groundbreaking prosthesis is controlled directly by brain signals through an advanced neural interface system and has already impressed engineers from the United States and Europe with its effectiveness and simplicity. Built from recycled electronic components and assembled on a minimal budget, the prosthesis can detect electrical impulses from the brain and translate them into hand movements. The user can lift objects, open doors, and switch on lights. In addition, the inventors integrated a voice assistant named Jeff into the system, which understands both English and Swahili. This makes the technology particularly accessible for people living in African regions. The project aims not only to restore lost capabilities, but also to enable the full integration of people with disabilities into active daily life. The Chinese company Unitary Robotics, known for its four-legged robotic machines, has unveiled its latest model of a robot dog designed for firefighting, which has impressed the entire tech world. This is not just an experimental development, but a fully functional platform already being deployed in emergency response units across China. This robot is specifically designed to operate in extreme and hazardous conditions, where it is too risky for humans to be present, such as during collapses, explosions, chemical leaks, and large-scale fires. Thanks to its four-legged design, the robot has high stability and can confidently move across stairs, slopes, rubble, debris, and sand, overcoming routes where traditional wheeled or tracked robots are powerless. The robots are already undergoing field trials in Chinese fire departments and are being used in real training exercises at mock-ups of burning buildings and industrial sites. Moreover, Unitary has launched sales of these robots in China, both to government agencies and industrial enterprises where there is a high risk of fire. The Chinese robot Astrobot S1 continues to improve rapidly. Recently, engineers at Astrobot demonstrated its new capabilities, including virtual reality control and an updated duo-core architecture. These enhancements expand the S1's potential as a versatile assistant for both household and industrial use. During the demonstration, Astrobot S1 showcased its ability for VR teleoperation, where an operator in virtual reality can control the robot's movements in real time. This enables S1 to be used as a remote assistant for tasks requiring precision and care. In addition to this, Astrobot S1 received an upgraded duo-core architecture, which combines two processing cores. One is responsible for high-level action planning, while the other handles precise motion control. One of its key new capabilities is automatic object sorting. The robot confidently identifies items of different shapes, colors, and purposes, carefully moves them, and places them into appropriate containers. The American company, Robot LLC, has introduced the world's first robot capable of playing golf at a professional level. The robot named BMS 1000 combines cutting-edge artificial intelligence and mechanical technologies, allowing it not only to replicate the swings of top players, but also to analyze and optimize golfers' techniques. The robot is equipped with a digital nervous system that includes radars, photosensors, accelerometers, and gyroscopes, which capture the unique fingerprint of each player's swing. Using this data, the robot can precisely replicate the shots, demonstrating the maximum potential of a player's current technique. The robot is capable of executing all types of golf shots, from drives to putts, including bunker escapes, and can move across the course via remote control. Thanks to its capabilities, BMS 1000 has become not only a technological breakthrough, but also a popular feature at various events. Engineers from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology have taught the humanoid robot G1 from the Chinese company Unitary to perform complex movements using a new control system called AMO Adaptive Motion Optimization. This system is an adaptive whole-body motion control method developed for highly agile humanoids, enabling G1 to execute realistic and stable movements in real time. In the demonstration video featuring the G1 humanoid robot from Unitary, it is shown confidently handling a variety of household tasks using the AMO control system. The robot independently stands up from the floor, carefully picks up objects, including dishes and small items, places them in cabinets, rearranges a pillow, demonstrates stability while moving around the house, and is even capable of delivering letters or small packages. It interacts smoothly with its environment, opening doors, placing items on shelves, and neatly organizing things without dropping or deforming them. Every spring, the Chinese city of Guangzhou transforms into the technological heart of the world, and the year 2025 was no exception. Canton Fair. 2025, the largest import and export fair in Asia this time, went far beyond a simple trade platform. It became a stage for the future where robots, artificial intelligence, and engineering brilliance came together in a grand spectacle called China's New Technological Era. Loudspeakers in the enormous pavilions echoed greetings in dozens of languages. Screens flickered with demonstrations of autonomous systems, and crowds of visitors watched in awe as machines became smarter, sleeker, and more human, like the exhibition brought together more than 31,000 companies from around the world, turning the pavilions into a bustling hive of ideas, deals, and international collaboration. More than 200,000 buyers from 215 countries filled the halls and corridors of the complex, from representatives of Walmart and Carrefour to startup founders from India and Egypt, all came to witness the technological breakthrough. Firsthand, among these industry giants stood a new hero of the fair, the service robot. For the first time in the history of the Canton Fair, an entire pavilion was dedicated solely to them, and it was a true triumph of Chinese robotics. Where once kitchenware and building materials were displayed, humanoid robots from Unitary Robotics and Guangzhou Ligong now marched. They moved smoothly, confidently, interacted deftly with visitors, and one of them even greeted the audience with a wave and a smile, in which it seemed a nascent form of intelligence gleamed nearby. Quadrupedal mechanical creatures from Deep Robotics amazed the public with their balance climbing stairs like living beings. Their agility was astounding. In a dance of servos and sensors, they outperformed even household pets in dexterity. Not far off robotic dogs and cats from Shenzhen, Elephant Robotics responded to touch, played games, followed children, bringing joy to the elderly and sheer delight to international guests. Representatives from Russia, Saudi Arabia, and Brazil were especially enthusiastic. Companies from these countries signed initial contracts right at the fair. The hearts of visitors were also deeply touched by companion robots from Guangzhou Inbot Company. Small, friendly with screen eyes and built-in educational modules. They told stories, taught children foreign languages, and responded to emotions. German delegates, after watching the demonstration, immediately reserved dozens of units for primary schools in Bavaria. Nearby, barista robots skillfully brewed coffee without spilling a drop, while logistics platforms from Canton Robotics automatically processed orders and delivered packages across pre-built 3D maps, even outpacing humans in speed. This exhibition marked a turning point in another way. It redefined priorities. Where once the leading players were the United States and Europe, now the spotlight had shifted. In Guangzhou, it was representatives from the United Arab Emirates, Indonesia, India, Egypt, and Nigeria who dominated China's new technological path. Not only impressed, it convinced the country was no longer catching up. It was leading amid global instability and technological sanctions. China confidently built bridges with those ready to move into the future together. Engineers at Dexterity Robotics have taken a bold step in integrating advanced artificial intelligence technologies into real-world industrial environments by introducing a new generation of robotic manipulators capable of performing physical tasks at even beyond human levels. Their system, called MEC, along with the physical AI technology, enables warehouse automation with high speed, flexibility, and precision, not just in demos, but in actual production environments. In warehouses, dexterities, robotic manipulators successfully handle objects of various shapes and weights, from soft packages to heavy boxes. Each manipulator can lift loads of up to 59 kilograms and place them at heights of up to 2.4 meters. The robot moves across the warehouse using 4 independently driven wheels, and its coordinated dual arms allow it to operate in confined spaces while avoiding collisions. Recently, the world was shocked by news from China, where a humanoid robot went crazy and attacked a man during a public demonstration in China. The humanoid robot H1, developed by the company Unitary, suddenly began moving chaotically and, according to eyewitnesses, even attacked a person. The incident caused a real stir on social media and sparked a wave of discussions about the safety of future technologies. As users described in the video, the robot went crazy and attacked an engineer during testing. It began moving erratically and even knocked over the computer that was controlling it. The humanoid device could only be stopped by cutting off its power. The company reports that the robot did not go out of control in the literal sense. It was trying to maintain balance in conditions it was not prepared for. H1 is equipped with a stabilization system that allows it to adapt to changes in body position or the surface beneath its feet. However, during the demonstration, the robot was secured with a safety cable attached to its head, a standard safety measure for public tests. Experts emphasize that the incident does not reflect any sinister intentions from the robot, but rather highlights the importance of adapting algorithms to real-world conditions. Despite the frightening impression, the incident became a valuable lesson for developers and another reminder of the complexity of integrating technology into the real world. The Chinese company Demon Robotics has unveiled its latest technological products: a new thinking humanoid robot called Sparky-1 and a portable telepresence exoskeleton named DMX10, designed for remote control and data collection in robot training. Sparky 1 is a next-generation humanoid robot capable of performing complex tasks that require high dexterity and precision, with advanced tactile hands and optical sensors. It can interact with its environment almost like a human, feeling objects adapting to their shape and material and carrying out manipulations with great accuracy. The second product, DM-Xtin, is a wearable exoskeleton specifically developed for controlling robotic humanoids. The device weighs only 2.5 kilograms, making it lightweight and comfortable to wear. Despite its low weight, it offers high precision, excellent flexibility, and minimal response delay, allowing the operator's movements to be transmitted to the robot with accuracy. At the recently held 2025 Shanghai Auto Show, among numerous innovations and technological breakthroughs, special attention was drawn to the latest humanoid robot, Iron, from the company Xpang. This robot not only became a symbol of Xpang's innovation, but also showcased the future of human-machine interaction. Iron is a humanoid robot with a height of 178 centimeters and a weight of 70 kilograms, developed by Xpang with the goal of integration into various areas of life. It is equipped with 62 active degrees of freedom, allowing it to perform complex movements, including walking, gesturing, and interacting with its environment. The robot uses the eagle-eye vision system and deep learning algorithms, which provide it with autonomy and adaptability in different conditions. At the auto show, Iron made its debut as a robot model accompanying Xpang CEO He Xiaopeng, and demonstrating the company's capabilities in robotics and artificial intelligence. The robot greeted visitors, performed gestures, and even took part in showcasing Xpang's new car models, including the P7 Plus and the X9 Iron has already begun trials on Xpang's production lines, where it assists in assembling automotive components. The company plans to scale up the use of robots in its factories, as well as in other sectors such as retail and customer service. Xpang's goal is to reach mass production of humanoid robots by the year 2026. The company Real Lady, specializing in the production of ultra-realistic female robots, has unveiled its latest model that promises to replace women around the world. Leila S39, standing at 170 centimeters tall and weighing 43 kilograms. It is an anatomically accurate replica of the female body made from soft and durable silicone. A key feature of the robot is its metallic skeleton with flexible joints, which allows it to assume a wide range of realistic poses and remain stable even in a standing position. The model is priced at approximately £2,613 British pounds and can be customized upon the client's request, for example, with changes to skin tone, eye color, head shape, wig style, and additional accessories. Thanks to artificial intelligence, this robot model can replace a real person in communication, emotional support, and much more. At the recent ProMat 2025 exhibition in Chicago, engineers from Reflex Robotics showcased their humanoid robot, which is already capable of replacing humans in many industries. This human-like robotic machine, mounted on a compact-wheeled platform, combines artificial intelligence, computer vision, and precise mechanics to perform real logistical tasks that were previously only possible for humans. The Reflex humanoid is equipped with a universal manipulator arm, featuring 5 independent fingers, allowing it to lift, hold, and accurately place objects of various shapes and weights using cameras and sensors. It recognizes objects, determines their position, and sorts them by type, whether boxes, packages, bottles, or small parts. It can also handle fragile or soft materials, adjusting its grip strength in real time. The robot navigates freely through space, avoids obstacles, and can move independently throughout a warehouse or retail area. An engineer from the YouTube channel, Koshiro Robot Creator, has developed an unusual machine called the Ball Balancing Robot, an autonomous platform capable of balancing a ball on its surface with high precision and dynamic stability. The robot is a flat platform equipped with 3 servo motors that control its tilt in different directions. This allows it to move the ball along a specified trajectory while keeping it balanced. The control system is based on an inverse kinematics algorithm that accurately calculates tilt angles to move the ball to a desired location. A proportional integral derivative controller is used for stabilization, providing smooth and precise adjustments to the ball's position. Additionally, The robot is equipped with a camera and a computer vision system enabling it to track the ball's position in real time. The Chinese company Lynx Intelligence has unveiled its latest development named PSIR1. This robot is equipped with advanced algorithms and architecture and demonstrates exceptional capabilities in performing complex tasks in real time. PSIR1 can perceive its environment, interpret commands, and carry out corresponding actions without the need for pre-programming for each specific task. To showcase PSIR1's capabilities, the company selected a complex challenge playing mahjong. The robot not only recognized and interpreted game situations, but also made decisions based on strategy and the current state of play. Lynx Intelligence also integrated a fast and slow brain architecture into PSIR1. The fast brain is responsible for handling operational tasks and responding to real-time changes, while the slow brain handles strategic planning and decision-making based on accumulated experience and data analysis. It is expected that in the near future, one will see wide application in automating complex tasks that require a high level of adaptability and autonomy. The American company Dino Robotics has developed a robot capable of replacing humans in many industries thanks to its high speed and precision. The robot called Dino 1 is an intelligent system with 2 manipulators designed to automate operations in warehouse, logistics, manufacturing, and service sectors, equipped with a sophisticated system of grippers and sensors. Dino 1 can perform actions with precision comparable to human hands, such as neatly folding napkins, filling cups, sorting objects, and handling delicate packaging tasks. During one of the tests, the robot operated continuously for 24 hours and successfully folded more than 850 napkins with an accuracy of 99.4% without requiring operator intervention. This demonstrates its suitability for round-the-clock use and for tasks that previously required human labor. At the beginning of the year, the company SwitchBot introduced a revolutionary home assistant, the K20 Pro, which became a real sensation among smart devices. This compact robot, equipped with the modular fusion platform, is capable of performing a wide range of tasks such as cleaning item delivery, transporting loads of up to 8 kilograms, including food, drinks, or other objects, as well as home security and air purification. The robot is also equipped with a D2F LiDAR navigation system ensuring precise movement throughout the home and supports control through voice assistants such as Alexa Google Assistant and Siri SwitchBot. Plans to release the K20 Pro in the second half of the year, 2025 in various configurations, including versions with additional modules. That wraps up this week's AI robot update. And honestly, every week feels more like science fiction turning into reality. With robots evolving faster than ever, the line between human and machine is starting to blur. We'll be tracking every mind-blowing moment, so make sure you're following along. Trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.